My dear children, you see color crayons are there. This is the orange color and it is blue color. When you see it is this color crayon is what? It is thick and it is thin. When you compare the two objects. Now another example. When you see the plants, cardamom plants and the bamboo plant, China bamboo plant and cardamom plant. You see this one is thin. The stem of the cardamom plant is thin and stem of bamboo plant is thick. So thick and thin. My dear children, now you compare the rods. You see black rod and pink rod. This one is thick and this one is thin. This one is thick and this one is thin. When you compare another objects, this object and this object, the two objects are the same thickness. My dear children, orange one and pink one. The pink one, the two rods are same thickness. Another example, another bottle example. They are the waters. When you see the waters, you identify thick bottle and thin bottle. You see there are three bottles. This one is thicker than this. This bottle is thicker than this one. So this bottle is the thickest bottle. And otherwise this bottle is thinner than this bottle and this bottle is thinner than this bottle. Among them, this is the thinnest bottle. My dear children, again this one is thickest bottle and this bottle is the thinnest bottle. When you compare the two bottles, this one is thick bottle and this one is thin bottle. Another example, they are the cover of the spectacles. You see, what is this? Spectacle is the cover. That is the box. The three boxes, the first one, second one and third one. What you see, this bottle is the thick bottle and this is the thin bottle or thinner bottle. Not thinner bottle, it is the thinner box and it is also thinner box. You see, among three, the two are same what? Same thickness. So they are the same thickness objects. The golden one and the grey one. My dear children, another examples. What is this? These are books. When you compare the two books, this one is thick book and this one is thin book. Thick one and thin one. Dear children, the two stems, the woods. The first wood is thicker than this one and this is the thin wood. It is the thick wood. Thick, thin. Are you clear? My dear children, you see the homework with date. You write the homework with date and encircle the thickest one. You see the three woods are there. Which one is thickest? This one. So you encircle it. Encircle the thinnest one. Among which one is thinnest? The first one. So you encircle it. Then next, what you do, my dear children, you see homework with date. Thick the ones having the same thickness. The first, you see three bottles are there. The first bottle, second bottle and third bottle. First one and third one, you see they are having the same thickness. So you tick it. So in another example of fishes, you see in fish example, first one and third one also the same thickness. Yes or not? So what do you do it? You tick it. My dear children, third homework, color the thicker one. What is this? This is your carrot. Which one is thicker? Among two? This one. So you color it. Another, color the thinner one. You see the, what is this? Candle. Which one is thinner? This one. So you color it. Thank you.